love is wicked. Cry me a river, cause your love is wicked. Friends come around, say your love is wicked. But the kisses when you give, don't you know it's wicked?
Hey family, welcome and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I got this look right here. It is so beautiful, perfect for the summer. It is matte. This makeup look is great for those who have oily skin. This is my flawless makeup routine look for every day if you just want to, you know, slay a little bit. It's a little extra, especially with the lashes, but you can calm it down by not wearing lashes at all. But I really love the foundation of how everything looks. My skin looks flawless, even though I do have a little bit of breakout on my skin from a couple days ago. It is going away, but your girl still look good. So now that I've primed my face, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the shade 430, my favorite hands down foundation. That just makes my skin look flawless and skin-like. It's not cakey and it's perfect for summertime. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I usually do like 3 or 4 pumps. And I just dot it all over my face. This foundation oxidizes, so if you're new to using foundation and things like that, what it basically means is that it actually gets a little darker once it dries down. I use a damp sponge to just make sure I blend it all in so that there's no streaks from the brush, and so that it's just completely blended. I'm just gonna go ahead and use Fenty today, and we're just gonna apply it to our face. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the under eye for a bit and just blend the rest out with my sponge. Make sure your sponge is damp. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sacha Buttercup. This is one of my favorite black girl friendly setting powders. If you don't want to look too yellow, or a bright highlight, you can use the Laura Mercier powder or any setting powder that is translucent. When you apply the powder to your highlighted areas, you want to keep in mind not to bake, because when you bake, you actually dry your skin out. And what I mean by baking is leaving the powder underneath your eyes for a period of time, and then you kind of brush it away. If you have really dry skin, I don't suggest you to do that. All you need is a little bit of powder to just set the concealer in place and you're good to go. You don't need to bake and keep the powder on forever. This is by Black Up. This is the contouring stick. I love this thing. I feel like contour sticks more so makes your skin look seamless and natural and more like skin than the powders do. So that's why I like to use the contour sticks. There's no demarcation, there's no, you know, it just blends really well together in your skin. I'm taking my Micro Smooth powder by Sephora. This is one of the best face powders, okay? Alyssa Ashley actually suggested this and I picked it up and I never looked back. I'm using True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. I'm gonna take this powder right there and just using this brush. This is by Morphe. This is the M524 brush. And I like to use this to contour my nose. So I had to fix the lighting. It was kind of weird, but I mean, it got kind of dark. So now I'm going to be using my favorite blush. This is by Milani. This is Coralina. This is one of my favorite blushes. Perfect for summertime. It's just like a peachy pink color. Just give that glow, you know? You don't have to do this, by the way. It's really up to you if you want to make your nose highlight, but I love it. I don't like to OD on highlight like some people do. I just like a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of shine, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Now it is time to apply some mascara to our lashes. I'm using Better Than Sex mascara. I'm not going to use a lot. I just want to use a little to just get my lashes to present themselves, because you know they're not that long. I like to apply my eyeliner before I apply my lashes. This one is the High Precision eyeliner. I love this liquid eyeliner. It's really perfect, nice and dark, and you just get a perfect wing with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. They don't have a name. I got them on eBay. Let me know if you guys want a eyelash haul, because I have a lot of eyelashes, but I'm not going to talk about it in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX dark brown pencil and line my lips. So I have a Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 lip topper. This is in the shade, or in the, yeah, it's in the shade Duchess. So it's like a champagne. So this summer I'm actually using Eau de Givenchy, and this is in Rose. It smells so good. It's perfect for the summertime. It's nice and citrusy, so if you like citrusy type of perfumes, this perfume is the way to go.
So for this beautiful perfume, Eau de Givenchy Rose, once you spray it, you will smell the Omenthus tea, which is like a sweet Omenthus, or known as the sweet olive. Then you will smell the mandarin, which gives it that calm citrusy smell. And then after about an hour or two, the middle notes are water, hyacinth, which gives the fragrance a floral aroma, along with jasmine and rose. The notes that are the base are musk and patchouli. The patchouli is slightly sweet and has this beautiful musky, earthy smell, which gives it that elegant and sophisticated vibe. Every perfume is different for everyone and may or may not agree with your body chemistry, but this is something I definitely would give a try. I have gotten so many compliments every single day when I wear this.
I want to thank Givenchy for actually gifting me this perfume. I absolutely love it. It's actually my favorite right now, and I have been using it. If you're interested, they actually have it online, and I think you can purchase it in stores, but I will leave that also on the screen if you're interested in buying a new perfume for the summer. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, then please give your girl a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and also make sure your notification bells are on so you're aware every time I make an upload. If you're interested in more makeup looks, let me know down below so I can put them out for you. But I am really loving this look, especially with this scarf right here.
If I could do it, but not why.